hi there. It's Monday. I hope you all had a fabulous, super fabulous weekend. It's Elisa Ellis with Closet Confidence, and I've been coming on here every day, Monday through Friday, almost since the beginning, to give you closet editing tips, style tips. Hey, Kara. And so today, I was really stumped. Hey, Sandy. It's getting a little cold. It was super hot last week, and now it's beautiful. It's getting a little chilly, and so I thought I'm going to show you a couple different ways to tie a scarf. And this doesn't match with my outfit, but it doesn't really matter because you'll get the idea. I should probably put my hair up, but I'm not. Okay, so here's a pretty lightweight scarf. I actually think it's pretty beautiful. It's a Stella & Dot scarf, of course. But okay, I'm going to show you some basic. Just one over the other. That's one way, okay? The other thing is you can turn this around. I'm gonna play with it like a lariat. Turn it around, and then you can tie it again in the front, okay? And you can make it short, you can make it long, you can tuck these in underneath, and then it's like a turtleneck almost. Hey, Melanie. Hey, Natalie. Okay, so that's one way. And then you can start it off backwards and pull it forwards. That's another way, okay? And here's the other thing. Some of these you can, depending on the length of your scarf, you can put it through like this. Some are super long. So here's the other thing too. This is a pretty thin, you can see, it's pretty sheer. It's a pretty sheer, thin, lightweight scarf. What I just did, putting it through here, it wouldn't work if I had like this one. This one's sheer, but it's really thick and heavy, and so trying to tie it around my neck wouldn't work so well. So you could leave this like this, or you could pull it shorter so that these aren't, this is my biggest thing, is I don't like it when these are just like hanging everywhere. Okay, and then you can also wrap it like a shawl. You get it long and open in the back, okay, and then you can just tie a knot. And I hate it when things are sticking out, so I'm just gonna tuck it in and tuck this in because there's like a little sack. Okay, that's another way. It's like a lariat. That's how I think of it. I try and think of it like a lariat. If I had a lariat, what would I do? You can tie it in a knot, and then you can tie another knot. This is a second knot, okay? And you can leave this through here, and then you don't have anything hanging. Okay, those are just a couple of quick ways that you can tie it and wear a scarf when you're out late at night or early in the morning because it's getting chilly. And if you haven't already, check out my YouTube page because I've uploaded almost all of my videos. Check out my new website and let me know what you think. Closet-confidence.com. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy and sane. It's getting a little insane, but that's okay. And have a beautiful night. And I will hopefully see you tomorrow with a Tuesday tip. I haven't figured out what that is, but I'll come up with something. I'll see you later. Bye. Thanks for joining me.